This video is made adult collectors for age 30 plus. Viewer description is advised. Hey, I just found 2 copies of the Foldabots toy book 2 with Lutabots loser. Hey, what is up guys, it is your boy Michael here. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be, this is the really new Foldabots toy book 2 in this remake or remaster. So today we're going to take a closer look at the Lucia or the Commutatron or Commutator, whether it was 5 Lutabots combiners. Yeah, this is just like this new show rework. It's just like it's pretty so really fine. This was better than the original version in the Lucia in the toy book 1. And this complete the 2008 toy book 1. It was really amazing. So I just like I say, take a closer look at the Foldabots toy book 2 logos, which mean so I got this new show, the main villain of the Lutabots, which combined it with the slime symbol logos and the Akimat Foldabots logo, and you can build transforming Lutabots. They got this. We got this. You can scan the QR code and watch assembling videos in the dice with the battle with text cards, and we got make slime. But this is just I don't have a cornstarch in the color green or whatever. So a yellow one, and this is just so we can build an 8 robot toys and 1 plus combiner, and these are just so we got this one and the back of the packaging. So check us a look at that. So tax card series 2, we got the 9 Lutabots characters like Tambak, Panga, Bungo, Buzaro, Commutatron. We got Rombardo, Sitak, Lucio, and Viles. That is just like so many complete. Really it's the design characters looks pretty good, but this looks better than the original series. It looks pretty great, and this is by the developers of Anvil Kids. You got this you get the tax card series 2. So this is I really want to see the previous video. This is the last video, and this is the toy book 1 and this 2025. But this is the release date on the December 20. I'm ordered the Shopee, and this is not on the Sado anymore. So let's get it unboxing this video. I'm not gonna take a closer look at it. This is for a quick free. They never actually did. So the only we've got 5 new Foldabots toy 1. I need Foldabots toy book 1 and 2. You get the Christmas gift for the holiday special. This coming out to December 25. I promise. If you like this video, smash the like, subscribe button, notification bell, so ring the file notify for the latest videos. And let's get this started. Open it. Alright, let's get it on in here. First on, here we go, baby. We have welcome to Lutabots here. We got the materials like the scissors, glue, paper clips. Started with the practice card on page 3. We got the number 1 cool applicators, 2 cube, and 3 cyclander. So this is what we got. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of the Lutabots toy card, and by Joe Mike Hito. He's the greatest one of the Foldabots and Lutabots franchise here. So this might by Apple Kids, not Summit Books or Summit Media Books. And then first off, we have the Sitak. I think this is kind of weird. Actually, looks better than the original the toy book 3, and that's what it looks like, kind of with the Luda slime sword. Yeah, that's it looks pretty so cool. So we're just pretty great. And the taxi mode, the amounts that's the villains from the fighting the enemies against the Foldabots. You can see the same thing of the Foldabots toy book 3. It looks like that. You can practice card with this. Look at the glue applicator and the cube cyclander. The only one that looks same characters from the other. See, this is really so Blaster is the peak one. You know what? I'm gonna this one. See, that kind of looks pretty good. So secondly, we have Vides. So he's holding a powerful electric Lutabots from the green, electric or thunders or whatever this is, and then the symbol of the Lutabots slime logo, and you have the electric train mode. Yeah, this is you can robot mode or vehicle mode. You can the two of the train, whatever you want. This looks like the Toy Book 2 remake or remaster or the rework. This is just looks like the re-listen. That's not the same. It's not a face. It's not the same thing as the face of this one. I think it looks better than the original K-Zone and Toy Book 6. It looks like differently. I don't know why this is pretty so bad, and this is just like this one, but I really definitely like it. It's the same cardboard and the same characters right here, same bodies here. That's not really the same. So third one, we have the Banga, the brothers of the Bongo. The Banga is the color white and red. Yeah, this is the really like utility vehicle mode, and then the Sage Cannon mode with the Lutabots splashing up, splash of slime, the toxic. No, this is splash on the slime. So this one, this looks actually pretty same colors. There's not the same colors like yellow one. This is light blue as much. The better than the K-Zone and Toy Book 6. And so you can tires, arms. We have roof. We're gonna back it out, and the weapons, the cannon, and this one looks pretty so exactly the same. The twins of the Banga and Bongo. Really good one here. So I'm gonna try this in the last year. I mean, next year, I promise. So we have the Bongo, the brothers of the Banga. The Bongo is the blue and the silver, white. Yeah, that's one. The definitely twins this way. Same vehicles and the same robots twins. They have the skeleton robots, and this looks pretty dial. This is the over. So whelming. This is a generic. I even know why the Lutabots they call the splash toxic. You know why splash and slime it up. So it looks like scan. You get a scan the QR code assembling guide. Why you then I don't know why the piece must be original K-Zone and Toy Book 6 as it definitely looks like. I really with this hope you join the building and see it on my next 2026. Yeah, I promise. We have the Commutatron. Commutatron is the Commutator, the 5 groups in the Lutabots. I mean the 4 groups. They are holding the Commutatron and they just a head and there's a mask. So these are the 2 arms of the valves. Yeah, he's on the Busado and the Duel. We got the claw and fingers so that this valves, this slime. This looks pretty badass. We got the Busado, Lombardo, and the legs. We got the chest, the Banga Bongo, and we got the assembling the Lutabots logo, and this is the symbol of the slime. And then you can build this one. So they got this. You can build it on the side. We got the original one. The original one, the K-Zone and the Foldabots or Toy Book 6, and this will look at only Wiles or Vides. So that's one the better than the original one. I'm still doing this one. We got a Busado. We have the brother of the Lombardo, and this is the bus mode, drill mode. The weapons only the claw one. The Busado is colored red, yellow, orange, silver, white. Yeah, the one is the back of the drill. It looks the strongest. We got you can see this looks pretty same like the K-Zone and the Toy Book 6. Looks like that. The brothers looks like same characters and only same. Here's a Lombardo, the brother of the Busado, and here we got he's the one. Lombardo is a color blue, silver, red, the metal, and this white, and this one this one there, I guess it looks pretty same like a brother of the Busado, Lombardo. Banga Bungo. They did better than the original one for the K Zone. And Toy Book 6, this one a pretty design, looks so whelming, so unforgettable. And you get Commutatron parts of Commutatron's head. So you're gonna put in valves or relays and then some little connectors or whatever something at this one that looks pretty same. And this cardboard like K Zone and the Toy Book 6 and that looks like this. The K Zone Philippines is a not up. This is one the artwork style looks pretty same like Remake. What's the software? I know it's like using this art style like Transformers G1, the 80s version. That you can pretty design. It looks so cool. Okay, we got. So we have the Dumbak. They don't have the Trossage, I think that's one. So Dumbak is the originally K Zone and the Toy Book 6, and there it looks like you get a robot mode, dump truck mode. This heaviest special skills, so slow in this one there. And then the Dumbak and the Trossatron. Trossatron is nothing like it looked like K Zone. It's not coming up. And the Toy Book 6, it looks like that. I don't know why it completely it looks Saturday. And we're gonna try the harmless ship in this one. The parts that look same K Zone and the Toy Book 6, and this one looks like Remake. It's not the original one. They only rework or remaster or rework. I don't know what they're talking about. This is, it looks like that. And then let's look at that. It's pretty so cool. Finally, we have the main villain of the Lutabots, Lucio! And isn't it just looks so ugly? And this is the face and then the mask of the Philippines, the scariest main villain I ever seen. They wanted up, and this is the most bad design I ever seen. It looks better than the scariest the K Zone and Toy Book 1. Apparently, and this one looks like that. And anyway, then you can ride it, putting it with the Tambak truck vehicle mode. I really don't know how much is the most powerful Lutabots villains I ever seen. They the strongest Lutabots I ever seen in my life. This is the looks like artwork style. Looks pretty fine. I don't know why how much the mask and it looks same at the game in the game zone. No, it looks at the games at the K Zone is one in the Toy Book 1. So they got a pair with the pocket and the new special part with the slime parts with the like arms, the tentacles. We got the order with the arms and bodies, and then we got the connector, whatever they want. And you got the putting on the dump truck mode, and some of the most powerful Lutabots I ever seen against Buhawi. I can't wait for seeing for the build for the next year and the Christmas gift. So we got to see this made Luda slime. So this one there you can 2 tablespoon cornstarch. We have the 1 tablespoon shampoo or conditioner. We got the yellow and green food coloring, 2 drops each. We got a resealable container and a mixing bowl and spoon. So you can slime it up into the blast and the slime mode against Foldabots. You can all mixing. Don't eat the slime, bro. Keep them off your Foldabots. Okay. So I'm gonna try this one. It looks pretty nice. Gonna no dye. Then build one. We gotta cut it out with a cube. And the dice with the black outlines. So it doesn't look like that. So vehicle mode looks pretty good without color lines. The uncoloring, we have all proposed vehicles. Looks like the Busado, Ramado. The twin brothers, yeah. The dome truck mode for the Tambak. The bus for the Busado and the Ramado, the twin one. The electric train mode, like the Relays, the toxic waste help, or the toxic waste help, or like the Lucio, and then they got a taxi car, and what about this taxi? So this one, definitely the Busado Ramado. I don't know what's this Sitak and this taxi car. It's called Sitak mode, and you got some robot one. And then look at this. So we got this on the button. That's it. that's the end of the video. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you're enjoying like a Christmas gift and the holiday special in this December 25th. And I really hope you like enjoying this. Thank you so much for the Joe Mike the Heroes and the opening for the Foldabots toy book 2. I can't wait to see this on Foldabots toy book 3, and it's coming out next year. Yeah, I don't know, man. I can't wait to see this for my more Foldabots and more the Lutabots. I'm gonna give you the Foldabots toy book 2. It's a 8.5 out of 10. It's really great, and it's a really great design. The Lucio this was designed in the 2025. It looks so fine, but the original, the toy book one and the K-Zone version, the original one, is better than this. So thank you so much for watching this video. Leave it a like it and subscribe to the channel, not to forget the bell to follow us on social medias. And we hope you enjoy and love you, hope you fams. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you join us see you on my next video. Bye, peace. Oh yeah, I forgot the toy book one. This one, I haven't seen this. It looks actually dead. So you got a collector one? Oh, hell yeah, dude. Let's go.